वाली नींद मोरिया मारे युद्ध गई रे देणाने वाली नींद मोरिया हाथ बोलो रे गणती रात रो रात ना
To say that the Sindh government is moving far ahead of all other provinces as far as our ease of doing business, as far as our investments are concerned, infrastructure projects are concerned. The issues that were raised here today, I hope as far as the Sindh government are concerned, we can take the necessary steps to address those, and inshallah ta'ala hum dekhenge ये थरी बदलेगा पाकिस्तान और ये जो concept, this concept that we've seen over here in Thar, where we have a link between the local communities and the outside investors coming in, this is the model that we want to replicate all across Pakistan so that the local communities have the ownership of these projects.